Dear students, good afternoon to all. Hope you are fine. Today is our offline classes from chapter Evolution. Evolution, let's have its introduction first. Our earth is full of animate that is living and inanimate that is non living matter. This matter undergoes changes from time to time, like living organisms take birth, grow old, and ultimately die off. This is the life history of a particular organism. But if we study the history of complete flora, that is plant life, and fauna, that is animal life, on planet Earth, we will come to know that these all have undergone a lot of changes over millions of years. All the life forms, like plants, animals, or microorganisms that we see around, comprise the biodiversity on Earth. These all life forms have a long history of changes, and the study of history of life forms on Earth is called evolutionary biology. To understand the changes in the flora and fauna that have occurred over millions of years on Earth, we must have an understanding of the context of origin of life, that is evolution of earth, of stars, and indeed of the universe itself. Meaning of evolution. Evolutionary biology is that branch of biology which talks about the word evolution. Now, what exactly is evolution? Evolution means the act of unfolding or unrolling, and in simple terms, evolution is an orderly change from one form to the another. But before we learn about how an organism evolved, we must have an understanding of how that organism originated. Therefore, before learning evolution of life, we must learn origin of life. Origin of life. Life is an inherent capacity that an organism possesses to maintain and reproduce itself. The origin or beginning of life is a unique event in the history of universe. Let us first acquaint ourselves with the origin of a universe. Now, what universe is? Universe. The universe is a very vast and expanded region of space. It is possibly infinite in volume. Billions of galaxies are present in it, which are clustered together to form this huge universe. The galaxies are themselves very massive and contain many stars, planets, and rocky bodies bound together with the gravitational forces and the clouds of gas and dust. The universe is such a vast entity that when we compare the size of earth with the size of universe, it appears like a small spot or a speck. The distances between these heavenly bodies present in the space, that is, stars, planets, galaxies, etc., are known as stellar distances. The stellar distances are measured in light years. Any object will only be seen when the light emitted by it reaches our eyes. Now, if an object is present very near to us or in our immediate surroundings, then it will be seen instantly and in the present time, because the light rays emitted by this object will take less time to reach our eyes. These light rays take less time because they have to travel less distance. But if an object is far away from us, say millions, that is 10 raised to power 9, or trillions, 10 raised to power 14 of kilometers away, then the light emitted by it will take millions of years to reach our eyes. This is the reason when we look at stars on a clear night sky, it is said we are in a way looking back in time, or we can say when we see stars, we apparently are peeping into the past. Thanks.